I know I've said it too many times before, and I said I'd never say it again. And I guess I shouldn't say anything at all, since you're supposed to belong to him now. But you know, I just can't let you go without telling you how much I love you. So that's why I'm gonna have to say it just one more time.
Honey, come back, I just can't stand these lonely days a little bit longer than the last time I held you. Seems like 100 years ago. Back to his arms and never know the joy of love that used to taste like honey. Come back where you belong, to only me.
Well, I guess that's about all I gotta say. I'm gonna take my bags and I'm gonna walk. I know those bright lights are still calling you, honey. Big fine cars and fancy talk. But if you ever want somebody to just love you, someday, who knows, you just may. Just give me a call, you know where I am. And here's what I'll say.
Honey, come back, I just can't stand each lonely day's a little bit longer than the last time I held you. Seems like 100 years ago. Back to his arms and never know the joy of love that used to taste like honey. Come back where you belong, to only me. Honey, come back where you belong,